Who we are. Aboriginal people in Canada. A long time ago, the first Aboriginal peoples came from Asia. They lived in Canada many years before people came from Europe. They had many different cultures. In 1763, King George III said Aboriginal peoples had land rights. These rights were the start of agreements, called treaties, between Aboriginal peoples and new settlers. But some treaties were not respected. From the 1800s to the 1980s, many Aboriginal children lived in special schools called residential schools. The government wanted them to learn Canadian culture. The children were often not treated well, and they often could not follow their traditions. There are 3 groups of Aboriginal peoples in Canada. First Nations. These are Aboriginal people who are not Inuit or Métis. About half live on special land called reserves. The other half live in cities or towns. The Inuit. The Inuit live in the Arctic. Inuit means the people. They know a lot about the land, sea, and animals in the north. The Métis. The Métis have both Aboriginal and European family history. Most Métis live in the prairie provinces. They speak a special language called Michif. Aboriginal people in Canada today. Today, about 65% of Aboriginal people are First Nations, 30% are Métis, and 4% are Inuit.